Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok is not working right now on your device. So guys, if TikTok is not working, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen. And now you have to drag down your control center and check your internet connection, and if it is not working, then you have to simply change your internet connection. And if your internet connection is weak, you have to simply connect the strong internet connection. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on general. Again, scroll it below all the way and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings from here for one time. And after this, go back and now go to VPN and device management, and you have to simply connect your device with a VPN. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go back and now you have to go to your iPhone storage, or you have to open apps on your Android phone. Then you have to go to TikTok and then offload your TikTok app for one time. So guys, simply offload your TikTok app, and after this go back and now you have to search for a latest version of TikTok on your App Store or Play Store, and now get the latest version of TikTok app in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.